Let us do it, guys. What's up, beautiful people? Depending where you're watching me from, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much for stopping by to the Team Brian. If you've not subscribed, kindly do it by clicking on that red subscribe button. But then you're going to join our community, the Team Brian, where we educate each other. Remember to also advertise with us. If you have anything to advertise or talk about, you can post it. Or if you have a channel you want to promote, you can do it kindly. Just text me on that number. We're going to talk there and we're going to do as you are, please. Yeah, exactly. So today we want to discuss 10 things agents will always hide from you. Remember, by going on, or you have that idea of coming to the Middle East, be it also Europe, be it anywhere where you have to deal with an agency, there are some of the key things that agencies may not tell you. Why? Because it's purely business for them. For agents, it's business. They're not going to care your background, or you come from, or your worries, or your sorrows. No, never going to care about that. It's you. It's your responsibility to care about these things. So we want to discuss these key major things that you have to put into consideration, and you have to be really careful about them, because the agencies are never going to talk about it. They're never going to tell you if you're not careful. And for those people majorly who don't have the experience, for example, you're traveling outside your country newly, you don't have this much experience of traveling, these are the key things that you may get yourself in, and it may be trouble to know them or to identify them. So number one is the type of job. Mostly people coming to the Middle East or anywhere, let me just categorize it or generalize it into anywhere out of your country, abroad, or diaspora. The type of job. Agent may not tell you the type of job, or he may lie to you the type of job. Let me just go and narrow down into this. You have had that visa, or you've met with that agency. We are talking now about business. You want to come to Qatar, you've paid, and your visa now is under process. He will not tell you the kind of job you are doing. Okay, others may know, who are going maybe under security into a company, he knows directly. Others are going to maybe labor, he knows he's going to do labor job. Others are going to maybe nursing, customer service, or metro station. But some cases you are going to a job you don't know, and this happened mostly for maybe, let me say, domestic ladies or the domestic workers. You go into, maybe they're being cheated, is going to be as a waiter, but at the end of the day he get herself domestic worker, he get herself doing domestic work. So these are the things that you have to be very careful and verify them before stepping into that deal, or before coming maybe to Qatar or Dubai or Oman or Saudi Arabia. These are the key things. The type of job, not the job you're coming here to do, because you may get yourself into a mess when you arrive at the airport. Number two is the visa type. Now guys, to explain this, we have two types of visa, or three types of visa actually. We have a freelancer visa, we have a working visa, and we have a visit visa. So agents may fail other agents, especially the fake agents, or the, let me call them con men and women. They may lie to you the type of visa that you have. You may maybe going for a freelancer visa, but he has given you a visit visa. You may going for a working visa, but you've got a visit visa. And it becomes a problem once you've stepped here, uko hapa Qatar or Dubai or Saudi Arabia or Oman, na umekuja, maybe you're thinking you have a freelancer visa, but your visa is a visit visa limited for 3 months. Hapo ndo utagongwa na reality, and they're going to switch off their phone. That's the reality. We're going to talk true. So if you can't verify the visa you have, don't travel blindly. You have to know the type of visa that you are having and carrying, so that when you come here, you don't land yourself into trouble. I'm not talking these things out of water. People have landed themselves into trouble by coming with the wrong visa they don't know about. By coming, they think they have a working visa, but they have a visit visa. They think they have a freelancer visa, but they have a visit visa. So you get yourself into a mess, into a trouble. And to go into visa type, Also, no, I cannot advise you to come here with a laborer visa. Guys, it's going to be very hard for you. You're going to be maybe tied in a place that you're going to do heavy work. So come here with a waitress visa, maybe a waiter and waitress visa, of course, hospitality, customer service. Maybe you're coming here as a driver, well and good, but a visa written laborer, don't really take it into consideration, because you may land yourself into struggle in future. It may feel happy, you don't care, you're coming to Qatar, you're going to Dubai, but a laborer visa, really you're going to be honest with you, you're going to face hardship here in Qatar or in Dubai or any country in the Middle East. Another thing is the contract agreement. Guys, this is a very key feature that you have to be very careful before signing or before letting that agency, because most of people go blindly. They let the agents sign the contract for you. So you have to know the type of contract you're signing. We have two types of contract. We have an open contract and we have a closed contract. What is an open contract? Open contract, it is an no end date. Aina end. You may start a job today and it may be in after a year. You can change to another company or you can go home. But a closed contract is a no close visa or a type of contract. Between you and the employer, hakuna kitu mnaweza ongea. Kama uliandika 3 years, you're going to finish 3 years. If it's 5 years, you're going to finish 5 years. Kama kukuwa na vacation or anything indicated, you're not going to negotiate kabisa. Guys, know what you are taking, especially maybe for domestic workers. Don't take a closed contract, because it's going to tie you into that home. It's going to maybe hold your passport. It's going to give you maybe your benefits. Everything is going to be really tied up. So know the type of contract that you're signing. These agencies may not tell you, because if it tells you, it fears that you may not pay for that money. So it's you to take a responsibility and know these things. And I'm telling you for free, guys. I'm really telling you for free, because I care. I really care, and I feel bad when I see people suffer, to be honest. Another thing or a key feature that we're going to discuss about is working terms. What are working terms? These are kind of working hours. Do you have off days? Do you have holidays? How is your sick leave counted? Are you like medical cover? Are you covered? Can you be given a sick leave when you're sick? Can you given an holiday? Maybe that is a vacation or something. Can you given an off day? Are you going to work 12 hours continuous, 8 hours continuous? So these are the kind of things that you have to ask before just blindly coming here to the Middle East. So you have to discuss, for example, hours. Some companies give 12 hours without off. Some companies give 8 hours without off. Some companies give both with offs or 2 off sometimes. So you have to be really careful on this. Ask a question, know exactly what you're dealing with before you step here. Holidays, we have many holidays here in Qatar. Are your company going to offer you these holidays? That is the question. So be careful when you are going to be coming to Qatar or talking to these agencies. Another key thing is the salary. Know the kind of salary that you're going to be paid. Okay, this may change, but if you have the capacity to know it earlier. Guys, below 1,000 Qatar Riyal, usishike hiyo ni pesa kidogo sana. Below 1,000, don't. No, this is really small money. 900, 800, no. Those are very small money. Unless maybe the country you're going to, for example, to Dubai, to Qatar, to Saudi Arabia, can say. But Saudi Arabia, I think the currency is more. No, the currency, convert to your Kenyan money, know how much you're going to earn, or maybe wherever you're watching it from, know how much you're going to earn before you come here. These are the things that you have to be very careful with. Our last but not least is the accommodation. When we talk about accommodation, where you're going to stay is going to matter. When you're going to a new country, you're going to stay here for a long time. It's not somewhere you're going to stay for a week. So try to ask, like, it is a shared accommodation. How many people you're going to share with? If the agency know these things, he can tell to you, because it matters. This is you. This is your life, So you have to be really careful before making a decision to come here to the Middle East. So I believe we have really discussed about key things, and I believe like they're going to really help you. We talked about the agents, like how can you get the agents, how can you identify it. I highlighted very nice agents, 10 agencies that you can use to come to Middle East, and I have a lot more. If you're really willing to chat with me, maybe on Facebook or Nini, you have my handout, guys. And let me tell you, there is a very best way to approach me. Just if you want me to help you, if it's not business or anything, just text me like a paragraph. Tell me how you want me to help you, not starting like conversation. Okay, I love you guys, you're my subscribers, you watch my videos, you support me, but there is a way, like time is so limited. So come with a paragraph, tell me what you need me to help you, I'm going to help you. But if we start a conversation like we are chatting, hi sasa poa sana, tuteremke like 30 minutes we are chatting before you tell me what you need, that is not fair. I believe it's not really way out there. Anyway, these are the things that you have to be really, I wish you knew what I was saying is something that you need to do. It is your responsibility to know the type of working terms, the type of things that you have, the type of life, the type of everything that you're coming to do here in the Middle East. Anyway, thank you guys. See you again in our next video. You can support me by visiting Moi Avenue in Nairobi, inside the Venice Mall along Moi Avenue. We have a shop there called the Drip Collection. We sell designer things, bags, shoes, a lot of things, guys. We sell classic things. It's called the Drip it, guys, because you need to look good, you need to look good. You can visit there, shop number 23 Venice Mall along Moi Avenue, Nairobi, Kenya. Utakutana na kijana anaitwa Boni huko, msalimie and tell him you're coming from the Team Brand. He'll give you a nice price, nice things, quality things, because we are the Team Brand and we are going to drip it. Thank you guys. See you again in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share our video, like and comment down in the comment section. See you. Subscribe.